In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wix Online Programs app and set up program pages. Are you ready to get your online programs up and running? Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you've already signed into your Wix account, choose the site where you want to add the Online Programs app. Once you've accessed the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a variety of options that allow you to control how your site looks and functions. Now, let's start adding the app. Click on the Add Apps option. This will open the Wix App Market, a place where you can find various tools and extensions to enhance your website. Here, you can search for specific apps or browse through categories. For this tutorial, let's search for Wix Programs, using the search bar at the top. When you type in Wix Programs, you'll notice a list of relevant options appears. Go ahead and click on the Wix Online Programs app from the list. You'll be able to see an overview of the app, including a description, features, and user reviews. If you think this app fits your needs, and I'm sure it will, proceed to click Add to Site. Once you do this, the app will start the installation process, and you'll see a new section on your site's dashboard for managing your online programs. Now that the app is added, it's time to set it up. To do so, click on Manage Programs from your Wix dashboard. This section is the control center for all your program settings, and it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the various tools and options available here. Once you're ready to create your first program, click Get Started. This will guide you through setting up the initial framework of your program, allowing you to customize aspects like type, duration, and more. If you're looking for a quicker setup, you can use templates. Simply click on Templates, and you'll be presented with a variety of program templates, each designed to suit different needs and industries. Templates can significantly streamline your setup process, providing a pre-made structure that you can modify to fit your branding and content needs. Explore the different options and choose one that aligns best with what you envision for your programs. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to add and configure the Wix Online Programs app on your website. This tool will greatly enhance your ability to run online classes, workshops, or any other program-based offerings you may have. Be sure to explore all the features this app provides and customize your program pages to make them unique and engaging for your users. Thanks